And as an expert, I can tell you, if people who are objective experts go and review this literature, they will also find that it is completely fatally flawed. And I'm going to show you one example. Here it is. So here's a study. And what they did is each of these graphs, there's 3 graphs here. Each one, they did the PCR test. We've all heard about the PCR tests. And then for the PCR test, what they do is they run samples through multiple cycles and they see if they can detect a signal. And if you detect a signal before your designated cutoff, you call it a positive test result, right? And what they did on this is, when you go to the materials and methods, they just randomly picked a cycle threshold cutoff to call it a positive test result of 40, a cycle threshold of 40. There is 0 rationale given for why they selected that cycle threshold. None. It was just pulled out of a hat. So that's what they have up here. It goes up to 40. Then what they did is they took all these people, both symptomatic and asymptomatic, and subjected them to PCR tests and ran them. And anybody who tested positive up to a cycle threshold of 40 was deemed positive, deemed to have COVID-19. We all know the PCR is a diagnostic aid. It has no functional aspects to it at all. You don't know whether you're looking at a mere portion of the genome of a destroyed virus or whether you're actually looking at an infectious variant.